Hey, to take a series of the photos on the Realme GT6, first of all, you will have to click on the three dots, three lines in the right upper corner, then go to the settings, and now we'll have to start scrolling and we have to select this function, touch and hold shutter button to take the burst photos. Now when you go back and click and hold on your shutter, you can take this series of the photos just like this. And when you open the gallery and try to open this burst shot, you will be able to find, when you take the series of the photos, it will be visible for you in the gallery when you got this kind of the image in the right upper corner. So as you can see, there was the normal photo, and here we can find this icon with the photos. So click here, and now we can find all of these photos that you take. If you want to save a few of them, just select them and then save. And as you can see, that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel.